One of the most interesting terrestrial biomes to me is the tundra. One biome that has various similarities to the tundra biome is the boreal forest. Both temperatures are cold, precipitation is low, and permafrost is widespread. Even with low precipitation, several tundra areas are wet as permafrost keeps the precipitation that does fall from leaking to deeper soil layers. Tundras usually occur above 65 degrees northern latitude. Tundras are extremely cold with low levels of light during fall and winter. They have cold summers, colder spring and falls, and even colder winters with sufficient precipitation. This results in permafrost areas, which is frozen subsoil. The summer growing season is short, days are long with ongoing periods of light for 1 to 2 months of the summer. Herds of caribou and musk oxen, predators like wolves and brown bears occupy the tundra. The animals there, such as large mammals, rodents, and Arctic fox, have adaptations to the extreme cold. One example of adaptations are the tundra frogs who can tolerate a semi-frozen state. Migratory animals use adaptations during summer and leave during winters. For example, multiple species of migratory birds nest here during the summer. Plants must also be able to adapt or cope with the low water availability and dry soils due to areas where permafrost does not develop in coarse soil areas. These polar deserts are most regular at the high latitude of the tundra biome. The tundra biome appears essentially in the Arctic, but can also be found on the edges of the Antarctic Peninsula and on some islands in the Southern Ocean. The poleward reduction in temperature and precipitation across this biome is linked with the zones of high pressure induced by polar atmospheric circulation cells. The dominant plants include sedges, forbs, mosses, lichens, grasses, and low-growing shrubs like heaths, willows, and birches. Plants and lichens pull through the long winter by going dormant and maintaining living tissues under the snow or soil. Species diversity is very low, and there is a low to moderate abundance of each species. Over the past decades, many far-reaching shifts in tundra plant community composition and enlargement of above-ground productivity and biomass have taken place, which has contributed to climate warming. The Arctic has experienced climate warming almost double the global average during the late 20th and early 21st centuries. Because of the small number of inhabitants, this biome holds some of the largest pristine regions on Earth. Increased loss of permafrost and catastrophic lake drainage in the soil have been linked to climate change. As we learn more about this unique biome, it is important that we continue to take care of it.